People are making up to $6,000 a month with simple Stickman videos. This niche never dies, and these low-effort animations consistently get millions of views. No drawing skills, no complex software, just one AI tool. Here's the complete step-by-step breakdown. To create Stickman videos, we will use only one artificial intelligence tool, and that is super cool. On this website, we will do everything at once, all the way to the finished video, and it works really well for 2D Stickman videos. This AI agent turns a simple idea into a finished video. It researches the topic, writes the script, creates the visuals, and generates the voiceover. It can also create documents, presentations, websites, and apps. But right now, I will show you the main thing, the full path from an idea to a finished video. First of all, you need to come up with a storyline and characters for your video. You can also set up the agent. Click on Settings and choose the most powerful version, because we will need video generation. You can also experiment with the settings however you want. In my case, there will be two characters, a guy and a girl who will fight over the last chip on the table. They will mess with each other to eat the last chip. This will be a funny Stickman animation. You can use any format, either stick figures or drawn characters, whatever you want. Do not forget to upload an example image of what you need. The AI agent will start creating the characters, and then we will move on. As you can see, the AI agent created two characters based on our request. Now we write a prompt to create the first image. This will be the first frame for the animation. I recommend two options for writing the prompt. You can ask the super cool AI agent to write the prompt for you, or you can write it yourself. But I want to tell you one important thing. Writing your own prompt improves the quality of the image and the animation. It may take a little more time, but trust me, nobody will tell you this. If you are making the prompt through the AI agent, then just create a new chat and let it write the prompt for you in the second chat, while in the main project you will already be making the video. Our first image is ready. It turned out great. They are standing opposite each other and looking at the chip, and then the chaos and fight over it will begin. Now we write the second prompt for the second frame. Done. As you can see, the super cool agent creates the chronology of actions and understands very well what we need. Now just keep creating images according to your storyline in chronological order until you finish. So I made all the necessary images for my animation. Do not forget to download each image. This is required. Now let's move on to the animation. Everything here is easy too. Use my prompts for the animation as well. You will find all the prompts from the beginning of the creation process to the final result in my Telegram channel through the link in the description. Everything is there at once. Use it as a guide, not as a copy. Upload the image to the AI agent in the chat and write the prompt. In the prompt, always write in more detail what will happen in the animation. For example, he takes out a ruler and swings it, and so on. We wait for the first generation. Done. It turned out great, and without bugs. During editing, we will make the final result. Keep doing the same in chronological order. Upload the image and write the prompt, send it, and wait. If you do not like the animation, just write to the agent, redo this animation. There is nothing difficult about it. All my animations are ready. As you can see, the super cool AI agent remembers what you need, analyzes it, creates a chronology of actions in the form of a table, and all of this in one chat. It is very practical. You can also use it to create a character, make a website, a presentation for studying, different projects, and create all kinds of animations, from 2D to a cinematic film. I really recommend this tool if you are a YouTuber or a beginner. The link to Super Cool will be in the description. And now, let's move to the final part. We will edit and connect all our frames into a full video. If you're creating AI content and trying to grow your social media, one of the hardest parts is finding real creator opportunities. That's where SeaArt SMCC comes in. SeaArt is an AI creation platform where you can generate images, videos, and much more. But today, I want to focus on its Social Media Creator Center SMCC. From the SeaArt homepage, open Creator Center, then Social Media Center. This takes you directly into SeaArt SMCC. Once you're inside, connect your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or X account. To verify it, SeaArt gives you a code. Just add it to your social media profile and complete the verification. Then finish your creator profile and explore available campaigns, cash rewards, creative resources, and traffic support. If you want to start creating with SeaArt, use my link below to claim 5,000 free credits, join SMCC, and explore the creator opportunities available right now. Go to any video editor that is convenient for you. Create a project here. Move all the downloaded videos into this project and drag them onto the timeline in chronological order, like this. And when you do this, start watching where there are unnecessary moments, for example, something too long or some kind of bug. Cut it, zoom in if needed. I will also speed up all the animations because for Stickman videos they should move faster, and this will add more dynamics. In general, here everything is fully up to your preference. I am just telling you how to make it better. If you see that the animation improves after your changes, then leave it. You can also add a couple of cartoon sounds for viewer retention, and even a voiceover if needed. When you finish, click Export and export in the best settings. Set it like mine, render it, and let's see what I got. Wow, friends, I really like it. What do you think? Share your results in the comments and tell me what you got. Super Cool is a great tool if you do not want to overcomplicate things and do every action separately. There is also a powerful SeaArt 2.5 model here, and you can already try it. Prompts, images, videos, presentations, websites, and character creation are all in one tool. Try it. Welcome to Creator System. Let me be brutally honest. If your YouTube channel is stuck, it's not because you're bad. It's because you're playing without a system, and YouTube punishes that. Inside Creator System, you get a constantly updated list of viral niches for 2026, so you stop wasting weeks on dead ideas and jump on what's actually working right now. You'll get 15+ practical lessons where I show you the exact process to how to find viral niches, how the YouTube algorithm works, video editing secrets, how to monetize your channel and break out of the 5,000 view cycle, plus all the additional ways to make money on YouTube. You get corrections, actions, and a clear plan, and a lot of other lessons. And the best part, some of our students are already seeing real progress with channels starting to bring in $1,000 per month and growing from there. This isn't motivation. This is execution. If you're ready to stop hoping and start growing, welcome to Creator System. Link to the community in the description. Subscribe so you do not miss new trends and tools. See you soon.